So we have one exponents and power question here. We need to simplify this term. We are given 3 times 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 4 times 2 raised to power n minus 1 by 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power n. What is the solution now? Here we have 3 times 2 raised to power n plus 1 can be written as 2 raised to power n times 2, because a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n, which is one exponent's rule, right? Okay, minus 4 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power minus 1. This here as well we applied this rule only, divided by 2 raised to power n times 2 minus 2 raised to power n, right? Now what will I do? I will take 2 raised to power n common from numerator. I am left with 3 times 2, that is 6, minus 4, and this 2 raised to power minus 1 will become by 2, right? Divided by 2 raised to power n common, 2 minus 1, right? Now what will happen? I will cancel out this 2 raised to power n and 2 raised to power n, right? I am left with 6 minus 4 by 2. So this 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. By 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is our answer? 4, and we are done.